Welcome to this instructional tutorial review and unboxing of the T189 Pen Camera. Okay, so let's take a look at the box. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, so right here is the manual. Here is the cable. This is for a TV connection, and this is to connect to the camera, to transfer files, and to charge the camera. Okay, so let's take a look at the manual. Some Chinese and the English. And here's the camera. Now what's interesting about this camera that I haven't seen on other spy cameras is that it has a lens cover. So you push this down. Right here is the lens. So you have a lens cover right there. Now right over here is the microphone. You have two buttons here. This is the mode button, and this is the reset button. And this is the on and off button and the record button. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to install a memory card. So to do that, you have a cap that you just pull off. Right here is the memory card slot, so I'm going to install a memory card. Now this camera takes up to 64 gigabytes. I have a 16 gigabyte card right here, so I'm going to install it right now. Just slide it in like so. And I'm going to put the cap back on. To power the camera on, press and hold down the button until both lights go on. Now let go. Now as you just saw, light on the right flashed 3 times, you have a steady blue light, and the camera is now in standby mode. Now while the camera is in standby mode, now to start recording, press and hold down the button. Now let it go. Now as you just saw, the camera flashed red 3 times, and it had a steady blue light. Both lights went off, and the camera is now recording video. To stop recording, press and hold down the button. Okay, now let go. As you just saw, the camera flashed red 3 times, the steady blue light is on, and the camera is now back in standby mode. Now to take a photo, now to start recording, press and hold down the button. Now let it go. Now as you just saw, the camera flashed red 3 times. Now, and it had a steady blue light. Both lights went off, and the camera is now recording video. To stop recording, press and hold down the button. To stop recording, press and hold down the button. Okay, now let go. As you just saw, the camera flashed red 3 times, the steady blue light is on, and the camera is now back in standby mode. Now to record in 1080p, press and hold down the button for 3 seconds. Now as you just saw, The camera flashed 3 times. The blue light, the steady blue light went off, and the camera is now recording in 1080p. To stop recording, press and hold down the power button. Let go. Now, as you just saw, the camera flashed red 3 times. The steady blue light is on, and the camera is now back in standby mode. Now, to take a photo, while the camera is in standby mode, press the F button. As you just saw, the blue light flashed once, you just took a photo. To take another photo, press the F button again. You just took another photo. To take another photo, press the F button again. You just took another photo, and so on and so forth. To power the camera off, press and hold down the button for about 6 seconds. And the camera is now powered off. Now, right over here, as you can see, is a clip, so you can mount this as you would a pen. Right here is the charger port and the place to plug the cable in to transfer data from the camera to the computer. Okay, so I'm going to be taking some footage with the camera, so please stay tuned. Okay, this is a test of the T189 camera. I'm currently taking some video and some audio to see how the video turns out and to hear how the audio turns out, so here we go. Okay, so there you have it. This was an instructional tutorial review and unboxing of the T189 camera. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.